All right, welcome to Trendy Options. We're going to go over DE, Deere and Company. A couple things to look at here. Targets to the upside, we're looking at 150 and T2 coming in at 170. I'm going to go ahead and take these fibs off real quick. Sorry, T1 is 159, not 150, and T2 at 169.67. To the downside, we're looking at T1 at 141.91, T2 at 133.25. This zone is actually something we put up months ago, and I can't remember exactly when. Let's look. We put it up in November of 2017. You just had to take some time, wait for it to come back. Boom, it came back to it. We had our stop here. Let's go ahead and edit properties. You can see here as well, I have my stop that was put in November. Did not break the stop, and I can magnify that for you just to show you how these zones work, right? This down here is a longer term entry. What I do want you to notice is during this range, this pivot high to pivot low here, I could tell you just by looking at it, we're 88.7% pretty much of this range, okay? And what do we notice at 88.7? That it typically comes around and that's a turning point for the cycle. Okay, so price could come back, and if it does, I do expect it to come hopefully to 142 to 144. All right, and if we can get that, like say tomorrow, I would love to ride this into Friday, shooting for the overall 50. Okay, because my back testing has showed that we always tend to come back once we get this pivot high and we come back and we go down, that we turn around. Once we turn around into earnings, we hit the 50. Now, if we don't, a note to self, it's typically bearish. Now, I'm not telling you to be bearish on the stock if we do not hit that. It's just something that I have written in my journals, and it just works out for me. Okay? So anyways, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Have a nice weekend.